Today, I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges into the Epson Workforce Pro WF-7840. This how-to video also applies to these printer models here, and the compatible cartridges are these here. Let's get started. Ensure that your printer is turned on. The ink cartridges can be accessed here. When it is on, you can proceed to lifting up the scanner unit until it locks into place. Then, opening the ink cartridge cover. Before opening a new cartridge package, shake it gently 4 or 5 times. If you are installing the ink cartridge on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the yellow tape from the base of the cartridge. If you are replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. For this printer, your black cartridge will be on the left side, followed by cyan, magenta, and lastly, yellow will be on the right. Now, press the front of the ink cartridge to release it, and then remove it from the slot. Make sure that you insert the ink cartridge into the slot that has the same colored letter as the color you are installing, and make sure not to touch the gold contact points. Insert the new cartridge into the holder and push it down until it clicks into place. Make sure all cartridges are pushed down into place. Repeat steps 3 through 5 for each ink cartridge you are replacing. After you replace all the cartridges that need replacing, close the ink cartridge cover, then lower the scanner unit. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the cartridges being in place and process them to begin the printing process. This takes about 90 seconds. When you see a confirmation message on the screen, ink charging is finished. All done. Now you're ready to print.